So picture this. You work for an employer that has an overly aggressive web filter. Or maybe you're a student at a certain unspecified school district who thought it was for the best to block a specific fun/informative video hosting website. Good news! There is still a way to watch YouTube videos even if YouTube itself is blocked. That way is called embedding. Now, before I begin to explain, I need to say this. Please embed responsibly. I am a video production teacher. It is imperative that my students have access to both creating and watching high-quality educational content. I'm not telling you this so that you can goof off in class or so that company you're employed at loses productivity. No, sir. I'm telling you this so that when your teacher has a very important video tutorial that is only available from that one very specific channel on YouTube, and that is the only way you can learn it, you still have a way of watching it. This trick is for when your teacher has links to great educational videos on Canvas, but the link doesn't work and you need to embed the link to watch it instead. Don't mess this up for everybody else. First, get the link to the video. Sometimes the easiest way to search up a YouTube video without accessing YouTube is to do a Google search for the video's title, and then click the Videos tab. Copy the link. In another tab, search for YouTube embedder. These sites were designed to spit out an HTML embed code, but they have the added side effect of showing the embedded video on the page. Even though you can't access YouTube itself, you can still access individual videos when embedded. There are a million clone sites that all do the same thing. If one doesn't work, try another one that does. Paste the link into the prompt and enjoy your video. Remember, embed responsibly. The last thing I need is somebody to ruin it and our tactic gets too popular and then our district, your employer, shutting down the best way we know how to share and watch quality educational YouTube content. Catch you on the next one.